So we're back again and we're at the manege, one of my favorite places, and it's been a fucking while. Been to Thailand and other places, and it's been a while since we did some FPV shit. But look, we're back again. The whole crew is here. 427 crew here, and a new member, of course. Hello, T-Bone. We have to call him T-Bone now. Drones and Mr. Mayhem himself.
Whoop, whoop.
So how is it to be back again?
Lovely. It's been too long. Far too long.
Yeah. Yeah, also I finally hit 500 fucking subscribers after fucking 5-6 years. But thanks anyway for subscribing, and everybody. I need more subscribers. I never ask for that shit. I never talk about it, but yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for new videos.
Yeah, exactly what he said. Alright, thank you guys anyway for subscribing, and I see you in the next one. Now we're gonna rip some fucking FPV shit. Also, she flew first drone today. She's got a DJI Mini, yeah, Mini 3. It's yeah, we all started with DJI. So very good, very nice.
Merry Christmas. I didn't start with DJI.
You started
Jawel.
the old-fashioned way, hè?
Ja, dat weet ik, maar die eerste was er ook een DJI-ding wat je bouwde. Hoe heet het ook weer?
Zelfbouw.
Maar hoe heet die ene ook weer?
Flameview van hem.
Nee, dat was niet FPV, hè?
Nee, dat was niet FPV. Nee,
Maar je hebt
nee.
gelijk.
Ik niet hoor, dat heeft DJI nog wel.
Jij, hoe heet dat ding nou?
Flameview.
Nou, zie je nou wel?
Godverdomme net.
Ja, ik ben oud en doof.
Luister ook niet.
Ja, hier. Er wordt gelijk ja gezegd hier.
Ja.
Het enige wat ze zegt, ja, dat klopt, ja. Okay, now anyway, kijk, hoppa! So you guys were back at it again, and I hope to post more FPV videos. And also more travel videos, because I like to do that shit also.
Gardening.
And gardening, yeah, we're gonna have some gardening videos also coming. It's gonna be, yeah, a multi-layered YouTube channel. Anyway. Dus. Right, see you guys later.